Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 8 new coolest tech gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Anker Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Feel the music like never before with the Boom 2 Plus outdoor speaker boasting 140W max booming bass. Thanks to dual woofers and Bass Up 2.0, the bass is boosted by 160%, delivering powerful depth and clarity in every beat. The 2 Plus 2 stereo clarity, with dual 50W woofers and dual 20W tweeters, ensures crisp highs and deep lows, balanced through smart crossover technology for a fully immersive audio experience. Need a quick charge? The 30W fast charging and built-in power bank keep your music going and your devices charged. With IPX7 waterproofing and floatability, it's perfect for any adventure. Customize your sound with a Pro EQ and use PartyCast 2.0 to connect over 100 speakers for an unforgettable party. Number 2. Govee Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra. Elevate your gaming space with the innovative H6066 3D light panels, a step up from the H6061. These LED panels blend dynamic flowing effects and striking 3D visuals, creating a stunning lighting experience that transforms your gaming decor. Buff your battle station with Govee lights, designed to enhance your gaming activities. Choose from various expressive scenes to match your mood or celebrate special occasions, with seamless scene transitions at your fingertips. Customize your home aesthetics with up to 25 panels, supported by one adapter, and visualize your designs on the app before setting up. Enjoy concert-like lighting at home with the music mode, perfect for any vibe. With smart app and voice controls, managing your lighting has never been easier, thanks to Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility. Number 3. Electric Nail Clipper. Achieve perfect nails effortlessly with our electric nail clipper. Simply press the power button, and the device trims your nails seamlessly, eliminating the hassle of traditional clippers. Powered by 2 high-capacity AAA batteries, it offers over 5 hours of use per charge, making it ideal for travel or business trips. Designed with safety in mind, the hidden blade ensures a risk-free experience, perfect for babies and the elderly. This versatile nail trimmer suits everyone from infants to adults and makes a thoughtful gift. With built-in nail chip storage and an included cleaning brush, maintenance is a breeze. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, it's easy to carry for on-the-go nail care. The package includes an automatic nail trimmer, 2 batteries, and a cleaning brush, all backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. DIY Digital Hourglass. Experience seamless control with the innovative Hourglass Timer. The side dial switch easily powers the device on or off, while 3 intuitive keys behind the hourglass enhance its functionality. The function key lets you enter time settings and start timing, while the plus and dash keys adjust the timing cycle or brightness during operation. On the opposite side, a Type-C charging port ensures quick and convenient charging. Upon activation, a charming smiley face and heart display on the dot matrix screen. Enter infinite timing mode with a simple press of the function key, or set a custom cycle between 0 to 20 minutes using the plus or dash keys. Adjust brightness on the fly, making this hourglass both practical and visually engaging. Number 5. Adjustable Laptop Stand. The laptop stand for desk offers wide compatibility, supporting laptops from 10-inch to 17.3, including top brands like MacBook, Surface, Dell XPS, HP, Asus, Acer, Chromebook, and more. Its adjustable and portable design allows you to customize the height and angle for maximum comfort, and it folds easily for travel or storage. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, the upgraded large base ensures exceptional stability, preventing shaking or sliding while typing. The ergonomic design elevates your laptop to eye level, promoting better posture and alleviating neck, shoulder, and back pain, making it ideal for home, office, or outdoor use. Number 6. Withings Thermo. Thermo revolutionizes temperature measurement with a fast, simple, no-contact gesture that delivers the most accurate readings. Its automatic sync with a dedicated app lets you track temperatures, set reminders, and log symptoms or medications directly on your smartphone. With a contactless scan up to 1 centimeter from the forehead, Thermo avoids body fluids like saliva perspiration or earwax, making it the most hygienic option. No cleaning between measurements is required. The illuminated readings and color-coded LED instantly indicate whether the temperature is normal, elevated, or high, customized by the user's age, ensuring you always have clear and precise information at a glance. Number 7. Wristwatch Missexp MS-1001. The MS-1001 redefines traditional watchmaking by blending mechanical precision, optical sensors, and digital programming within its self-developed movement. This innovative watch showcases a unique way of timekeeping with its distinct linear pointer movement, driven by the rotation of a lead screw. Not only does it tell time, but it also reveals the intricate mechanical operation inside, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. The Missexp Mechanical Exploration Watch offers a range of versatile features designed for ease of use and accuracy. With one-touch operation, switching modes is seamless, ensuring you stay in control of every moment with confidence and style. Its cool appearance and advanced structure make it a standout accessory for any watch enthusiast. Number 8. Ayaneo Pocket DMG. The Anbernic RG40XX V-Game console combines retro charm with modern technology. Preloaded with a 64 GTF card, it supports 10 different game formats and runs on a Linux 64-bit system, allowing you to add emulators and games with ease. Lightweight at only 200 G, this portable console features a 3,200 mAh battery, offering up to 8 hours of continuous play and fast charging via USB Type-C. Beyond gaming, the RG40XX-V supports HD output, a vibration motor, Wi-Fi online pairing, streaming, and both 2.4G wireless and wired controllers, making it perfect for solo or group entertainment. Its 4-inch IPS screen, dual protection, and customizable RGB lighting enhance the immersive experience. With 24/7 customer support, it's a fantastic gift for gaming enthusiasts. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.